Explanation. Step 7. Create of the CRUD. Open address in web browser. Enter name, enter content, enter published. Click button Add. Click X. Open address. And here is name 1, blah, blah, what you just added. Open this address in Windows Explorer. Open index.php in text editor. This is AngularJS directive. Here we include Angular min.js, ng controller directive, ng show, ng click, ng submit. When we submit form, we call this directive calls function create row. AngularJS function create row. ng model, add field name, add field content, add field published. Button add, script, Angular application, Angular controller, and here is create row function. Method post, calling this page, this document, create.php. Data add field. If success, scope success true, equal true, feedback, we call feedback, and scope add field. Also feedback, we set up on the in the beginning, like on the beginning. And open create.php. It is data for connection. Here is a connection. By class PDO. Feedback starting point is feedback is nothing. $A JSON decode function, again function file get content and input from PHP. $B array, we create array. Now data go from a website to database. Until now we have only select and data coming from database to index.php. Now we have a form for adding a new row, new records in a table menu, and the process is equal. Again, we must create an array. We must have also SQL statement, but it is not select like till now. It is now insert into name of table, and this is fields of table menu, values, question sign, question mark, question mark. It is prepared SQL statement, because that statement go to database in a two phase, not immediately in one process, but in two transaction. First transaction prepare for other transaction. In other transaction, now we have prepare one transaction, and in other transaction we have values from our form, from adding form. It is 3 values. And this. Statement execute, and we have if execute is if all is okay, feedback, you just created a row in table menu. Output array, and we must JSON encode also that feedback, because it is go that feedback, it is feedback. It is don't go to database. It goes on the screen in our web pages, and like all other data go to JSON form. Also, this feedback must be created as array, and after that encoding in JSON. It is create.php.